Do you own or manage a commercial building in Fairbanks? Is your air conditioning and ventilation system ready for summer? Are you having air quality issues? Have your air ducts ever been cleaned? Look how dirty and allergy infested they could be. Give us a call. We do it all. Once done, you're ready for summer fun. We service and maintain over 50 commercial buildings in Fairbanks. Call us today for a free mechanical systems assessment. We've been servicing Fairbanks since 1982. Altrol Heating, Cooling and Plumbing, the company you can trust. Give us a call, 452-8680.